Hey, working class hustlers, La Machine here, and today I want to talk about how to keep track of your online arbitrage purchases that you have made. Now, this channel is geared towards the beginner, but eventually, for those of you who actually get started, you see that this works, you get excited, you start getting results, you start scaling. And what happens is this: in the beginning, you can keep up with what you've purchased, where you've purchased it from, when, how much, because you're only doing a little bit. But what's going to happen, and hustlers, leave a comment if you know what I'm talking about. What's going to happen is eventually this monster that you're building, this Frankenstein of a business, it becomes overwhelming and you don't know what you've ordered, when, from who, did you ever receive it? That is so important. This is life, guys. What if that package never shows up and you can't even remember? Please, working class hustlers, if you're watching this video and you have experience, please leave a comment, because I know it has happened to you. If you've gone from beginner to, say, the intermediate and even on to advanced, eventually you have forgotten that you placed an order and it never showed up. You don't even know, because you're so busy. You're busy making money. You're busy sourcing. You're busy being successful. And if you don't have a way to keep track, you know what a lot of the experts will have you do? They'll have you, every time you make a purchase, you're filling out spreadsheets. That's extra work. Guys, I'm going to show you my way of keeping track of the products that I've purchased so that I never, you know, I never lose, I never forget. I can go back and say, hey, what all has come in, blah, 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 blah. And I do it with the software that I talk about often on this channel. It's called Inventory Lab. And this is the reason why I love Inventory Lab, because it makes it, they continue to improve and they add so many features to help you run your business. You've heard me say Seller Central is functional, but it does not help you run your business. It's made to help you get products to Amazon. You need more information. You need a software that is going to really help you manage your business. To be successful, you've got to manage. To hustle, all you got to do is flip. But to really run a legitimate business, grow it, and be able to track it, you've got to think and operate like a manager. And Inventory Lab allows you to do that. Now, let me show you. We're going to go inside of my Inventory Lab and show you, because I'm actually making some purchases. Yes, hustlers, you're going to see the products that I'm getting ready to purchase. I'm sharing this with you. Okay, so watch this. Okay, so here we go. So now you can see we're inside of my Inventory Lab account. Now, incidentally, if you want to learn how to use that, we've got extensive videos. Click the link in the description. Jim may put a card up, I don't know. But if you want to delve deep into that to learn how to use the software. But here you can see, looking inside of my account right away, you can see for the, we're in the third quarter now, but if you look at quarter two, which includes April, May, and June, right at a glance, you can see total income for April. You can see it went up in May. You can see it went up in June, and we actually had even better profit in June. Now, this comes from using this software, guys. So watch what happens. Now, follow along here. I'm gonna look and just show you. This is a product that I'm going to list. All it is Listerine, guys. This, you want your replens, right? You want your replenishables. Guess what? People use mouthwash. They don't think much. They buy it because they need it. They throw it in their shopping cart along with other things. You're going to look and you're going to ask yourself, if you're new to this business, why in the heck would somebody pay $22.76 for a bottle of Listerine? Well, because stuff costs money. And you're asking the wrong question, number one, if you're asking that. But we're not going to get into all that. That's we're going to save that for one of my rants where I'm hooping and hollering. But my point is this: I'm going to take this ASIN because I'm getting ready to buy this product. I'm getting ready to buy this at Target. Okay. You can see I threw 6 of them in the cart. They're going to cost me $7.59. They're going to cost me probably around 30 cents to get into the Amazon warehouse, because I ship in such large quantities, and you will too if you're not doing it now. Okay. Now watch what happens. I'm going to come to inventory and I'm going to go to unlisted inventory. And in unlisted inventory, I can see products that I have ordered. And it's going to show me the quantity that I have listed. Okay. And it's going to show me, for example, once it comes in, for example, all these shoes, you see zeros because I've went ahead and sent those in to the warehouse. Now you look at this puppet right here. There's two of them because they're sitting, it's unlisted, and they're sitting in my warehouse, what I call a warehouse, my basement. But watch what happens. We're going to put that ASIN that we just took from Amazon for that toothpaste. And what we actually did, we searched for it, which is the wrong thing to do. You don't want to search for it. Searching, that's saying, hey, let's see if we have that in our inventory unlisted. We don't. So we come down to add an item. There is where we're going to put it in. We're going to do it like this. Okay, now there it is. Now, how many did we say we were going to buy? We're going to buy 6. Okay. We don't know the expiration date right now, but we can see the purchase date is going to be today, July the 13th, the year 2022. The supplier is Target. Now that's going to auto populate because I already have suppliers in the system. Okay. Now, how much are we going to pay for that? I'm not going to pay tax because in my state, you don't pay tax on that. I will be using cash back. I'm not going to consider that because I just kind of consider my cash back as extra money. But $7.59 is what I'm paying per unit. And you could add tags if you want to be able to find that product or however you want to, list it. Now watch this. I'll go add to unlisted inventory. And there it is. And here's what's great about it. When I'm ready to create a shipment, I can actually pull from here. And then I don't have to remember when did I buy it? Who did I buy it from? What was the purchase price? Because you're going to need all that information because you're managing your business. You're not just listing inventory in Seller Central and don't know what happened or got to go to some spreadsheet. You don't want extra steps in this stuff. Okay. Now, if I come to unlisted inventory and now there it is. So when I decide, hey, did everything come in that I have ordered? I can come here and say, hey, wait, whatever happened to that 6 that I'm supposed to have? And where did I get that? Oh, I got that from Target. Let me go out there to my Target account and see what's going on with that. Okay, guys, listen, I cannot say enough about the software Inventory Lab. If you got value out of this video, do me a favor. I'm going to ask a favor of you. Use the affiliate link that's down in the description. That helps me and my producer, Jim, to produce free content, which we've been producing for your benefit. Long form content that tells you everything. Things I've had people comment and say that my videos give more than they got out of paid courses. But this cost us time, energy, effort, and money. So if you would use that link, it actually costs you nothing, but it's a way of you helping us to continue to do what we do. And that is serve you. And we appreciate it. Also, please take 1 second, smash that like button, share this with someone that you know wants to get started and be able to start making money right away. See, the thing about Amazon arbitrage is that you can start making money right away. Okay. Amen. If you are a working class hustler, you've been doing this, help somebody out, leave a comment, let them know that this actually works. I keep trying to show you, but we need the community to come out. We need some engagement. We need some interaction. Maybe what we ought to do is put together, we've been doing masterminds, classes, going live. Maybe we need to do one on Inventory Lab. Let me know if if that's what you'd like to do. This is the way I keep up with the inventory that I've purchased so that I don't forget, that I don't lose money, because I just have so much going on. But this is not the only way to do it. This is the way I do it. If you know a better way, hustlers, we need you. We need you. I don't have all the answers. So if you have a way, we want to hear about it. This is my way, and I hope it helped you out. And again, watch, if you want to delve deeper into the software inventory lab, watch that next video, hustlers, and I'll see you in the next video.